Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to create this professional logo in corelDRAW step-by-step tutorial without any stress. So let's start the tutorial and see how you get it done. Okay, first thing first, you have to come to your toolbar right here and make sure you select your circle. So having selected your circle, you have to come to the workspace and make sure you press Ctrl key down before you can draw your circle. This allows you to draw a perfect circle. So you can see the circle size right here is 668.12 768 by 768.12 pixel. Okay, so once you are able to get to this stage, the next thing you have to do is to press P on your keyboard, just letter P on your keyboard, to move this particular shape into the center point. Okay, so next thing you have to do is to make a duplicate of this shape. So for you to do that, all you have to do is to press Ctrl D to make a duplicate. Now when you make a duplicate, you can just take a duplicate to one side. So we need to adjust this circle, it's too much big. So you can press Shift key on your keyboard and dragging while you adjust the circle. So you can see we have drastically reduced this circle. We can make it 550 by 550 pixels. Okay, so next thing we have to do here is to press Ctrl D to make a duplicate. So this duplicate one, we can take it for one side down. Make sure you maintain the center point for this original one. Then we have to press this duplicate one again, press Ctrl D again for you to make it in a duplicate. Then you have to take it for one side. Then you have to press Shift key and select the first duplicate and press E on your keyboard. This allows you to center it into alignment vertical center. Next thing you have to do is to come to your home tab here and make sure you group the two duplicate circle. Once you have done that, the next thing you have to do is to press Shift key and select the original circle, then press C on your keyboard. This allows you to align into vertical center. So you can just tap down a little bit to move the circle down below. Next step you have to take here is to come to the home tab here and make sure you click on Ungroup All. So when you ungroup all, you have to fall back to one of the circle, press Ctrl D again to make a duplicate. Then the duplicate one right here, you have to take it down below here. Then you have to fall back to this and press Shift key and select this. Then Ctrl J, or you come to the home tab here and click here to make a group. Then the next step you have to take here is to press Shift key and then select the bottom circle and then press E on your keyboard. And press C on your keyboard. So this allows you to center the shape. Then you can just tap on this below circle and alright, the next step you have to take here is to go to your toolbar right here and make sure you select your Smart Fit tools. So having selected your Smart Fit tools, so you have to fill this place and this place, this place, and this place, this place, and this place. So you have to press Shift key on your keyboard and select this, and then make sure you look for Word. And then you have to press this Shift key and select this and look for Word. This one also, Shift key and press the second one, then Word. Now you can differentiate the color so you'll be able to see the right shape of each of the logo. Good. Shift key and select this one, Shift key and select this one, and you can take your logo shape outside this way. Then you can come to the home tab right here and make sure you group the logo shape. Once you're done, then you have to select all this and press Delete key on your keyboard. Then you have to fall back to your logo shape and press P to centralize into the center. Next thing you have to do is to come to the home tab here and make sure you ungroup all. With that, you can apply your whatever color of your choice into the logo shape. Now I'm going to pick the color from this one right here. So first thing first, I'm going to start from here, and then you have to come to your Smart Fit tool and make sure you choose your Interactive Fit tools. Once you choose your Interactive Fit tools, I'm going to copy the color from here into the shape. Alright guys, so this is how you can create this particular professional logo in corelDRAW. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also remember to subscribe for more tutorial like this. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.